Alexa, turn off smart plug 2. There you go. You can see it works great. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through some of the key setup details with the QR code, so we can easily scan that to get these set up. This also comes with a 2-year warranty, and they have some more product information on the back side for you. This is a 2-pack, and it will work with iOS and Android devices. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual right here. 3 easy steps to set up our smart plug, and the Kasa Smart app is available for iOS and Android devices. You can see in the back side, they have their customer service and contact information as well. Next, you can see the 2 identical plugs right here. So check that out. They look great. Pretty small form factor and footprint. So we'll be able to plug 2 of these into a standard receptacle. So that's really nice. And you may notice the power buttons on the side. So when you have 2 of these plugged in on top of each other, you're still able to manually control them as well. Instead of the power button being at the top or the bottom, you would see that we would have one of them being blocked if we had 2 used together. So really like seeing that. Now let's go ahead, let's get these set up. So now you can see we have our smart plug plugged in right here. We also have the Kasa home app downloaded on our mobile device. You can see what it looks like once you sign in and you're into your account. We have all of our available devices. You can see we already have one of our smart plugs set up. So let's go ahead, let's select the plus icon to add our second plug right here. Choose device. Now we're going to select smart plug. You can see there's a wide variety and range of options depending on the plug that you're setting up. In this case, we're doing the smart plug Lite Mini. Let's go ahead, select next because we already have it powered up. And you can see it's going to check our Wi-Fi condition. Once this loads, eventually we'll be taken to a prompt to connect to the Wi-Fi network that our smart plug is enabling. So here we go. You can see first up, we're going to check the light. So there is a light right here. It's very faint. It is blinking blue and orange, and you might actually be able to see it, not so much on the power button, but just off to the side of our plug, we can see that. So select next. Now we need to connect to our plug. So go back to your Wi-Fi settings. So you can see we're going to pull up our Wi-Fi right here. We don't want to be on our local network right now. We want to connect to our TP-Link network. So you can see at the bottom right here, TP-Link smart plug. Ours is 37B2. We're going to choose that, and then we're going to go back into the app. And now we're going to say, I'm already connected. And now you can see it's going to work on connecting to our smart plug. And now we need to choose our local Wi-Fi network. So let's use our network right here. Enter your password and select join. And now it's going to work on setting up the plug for us. All right, we already got our Alexa prompt right here letting us know that it's been set up. So that spoiled some of the fun for us. But it was very quick, guys. Took less than 20 seconds. Now let's name it Smart Plug 2 and hit save. We can choose our icon, hit save again, and there we go. Everything has successfully been set up. And I want to point out, if you saw that Alexa notification earlier, once you link your account with Alexa, any additional device that you add will automatically be added to Alexa, which is great. So you don't have to do that step every time. So now let's go ahead. Let's look at our plug settings. So first up, you can see right here on the app, we can turn it on or off without even going into our smart plug settings. Now we're into our smart plug where we can manage it. Same thing, front and center, our power button. Top right hand corner, we have our settings gear icon. We can change our name and icon. We can view advanced device information. We can remove the device. And then you can see at the bottom, we have 4 different settings. So first up, we have our scheduling options. So we can add a schedule, have it turn on or off at a certain time, or sunrise, sunset. And you can choose which days of the week you want this to repeat. And there you go, you just set up your schedule. So you could have a routine if you want to have something come on before you come home from work, or have something go off, on your way to work. You can do that right there. Then we have timer settings, so we can turn on or off after a certain amount of time. You can initiate that. Then we have our away mode, so you can set that too. Very similar. So a lot of advanced scheduling right here. And then you can see we have our runtime statistics, which is cool. So you can get a nice breakdown of its use today, last 7 days, and last 30 days. So that's really neat. You can see all the settings that we have with this plug right here. And don't forget, it works with Alexa. Alexa, turn off smart plug 2. There you go. You can see it works great. Alexa, turn on smart plug 2. So very simple and responsive. Lastly, I'll show you how responsive it is with the mobile app as well. So we have the light on, we just press the button and you can see it basically turns off instantaneously. And now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn it back on. And same thing, very, very quick and responsive. Everything works great. This is a very affordable smart plug available in multiple quantities depending on your needs. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.